Ladies and gentlemen, referee Fernando Salas has called a stop to this contest at 44 seconds of the very first round. Declared the winner by TKO, Muhammed Naimov.
I'm here with your winner, Muhammed Naimov. Muhammed, first of all, congratulations, 3 in a row. I know it was a bit of a freak accident. It looked like something happened to his knee. Thank you. But how are you feeling again on a nice winning streak?
Primero de todo, felicidades por la victoria. De cualquier manera, son 3 victorias consecutivas. Fue un accidente un poco raro. Saliste con la victoria. ¿Cómo te sientes?
First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah. God gave me this beautiful victory. ¡Viva México! Hey, hablo español poquito. I love Mexico City. Mexico, I love you all.